How to fix WhatsApp login not available right now problem in your iPhone. So if you are facing that problem on your iPhone, you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to open up your setting. And once you have opened up your setting, you have to navigate to your Wi-Fi and see and check your internet connection is working properly or not. After that, you have to go back and scroll down and go for your general option. Once you are on your general option, here you have to scroll down and here you can transfer or reset the phone. And once you are here, you have to just go for the reset option. And here on your reset option, you have to select the reset network setting, which is on the second option. You can see that. After selecting that, you can navigate to your Apple Store and search for the WhatsApp here. Once you have searched for the WhatsApp, you have to just open up your WhatsApp here. And if there is any update available, then you can update your WhatsApp Messenger app, which also fix the problem. We, if still problem is not fixed, so after that you have to navigate to your setting again, and here you have to scroll down and go for your general option and go for your software update. Once you are on your software update, you can update your phone to the latest version and you can go back. And after that, here you have to scroll down and you can go for the VPN and device management. And here you have to just disconnect your VPN if you are connected to the any VPN on your device. Also, you have to go for the iPhone storage, and here you have to just go for the WhatsApp. So just go for the WhatsApp here. Once you are on your WhatsApp, you have to upload the WhatsApp here. And then you can delete the app and then reinstall it on your device. After you follow this step, your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.